Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making a collard green Reuben. Let's cook. Okay, we're taking a shortcut. I have a bag of collard greens that I've already washed really well. And I have a few videos about how to clean and wash greens, so if you want to go over that, you can. I'm going to add some water. Added about 3 cups, maybe a little bit more or less, of water. You don't want to drown them in water. And see how they're cut? They're cut like really big. I didn't change the cut at all because I need for them to be like that, considering that we're making a sandwich. Now we have to season them up. I have some minced garlic here. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. Let me rinse this off. I have some vegetable base. And if you have some vegetable bouillon, works just fine. Gonna put some in here. And you know we're gonna have to go back in and taste. Put a little bit more. That was about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to add some minced onions. These have a lot of flavor too. They really do. So if you haven't tried them, maybe you should try them. Lots of flavor. Some Creole seasoning. Get in there. And I have some apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to add about 3 capfuls. Some pepper. And because the base is already salty, we're just going to add a little bit of salt. So a little bit more. I'm going to move this around. My pot is already on cooking. I mean heating up, that is. And we're going to let these start boiling, and in about 30 minutes, we're going to go in and taste and see if we need anything else. You don't have to cook them to death. Hours and hours and hours. You know, some people do. They're good. They melt in your mouth. But in this case, that's not what we're going to do. Oh, mama, I forgot my yellow bell peppers and my red bell peppers. Okay. Now we're doing something. And just let these flavors cook together. And then we're going to check the flavor. It's been 30 minutes. Let's see how they cook down. Yeah, that happens quickly. We're just going to taste it to see what we need to add, or if we need to add anything. I'll burn my lips. It's pretty tasty, but we're going to add some more anyways. Some more minced onion. This time I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add some more Creole seasoning. And this is salty, and our salt is pretty good, so I'm not going to add a heck of a whole lot more. cook in some more vegetable base. And this has a high salt content too, so. Gonna mix this. And we're gonna let it go for another about, I'll say 40 minutes. Let me taste this one. Still has a little bit of, a lot of bite. And we do want it to be soft and tender. So we'll try another 40-45 minutes. Taste this again. Tasty. Set your timer. While the greens are cooking, I'm going to put together some Russian dressing. And this is some mayo. That might be about 1/3 of a cup. I'm going to add a little bit of sweet relish. Get some of that juice out. Maybe a little bit more. I'm going to add some horseradish. My tongue is twisted. And not much, because you know this is spicy. It's quite enough for me. A shot of lemon juice, and you can use the real lemon juice. I'm just kind of taking shortcuts today. I'm going to add some more Worcestershire sauce. Some onion powder. Shake. Whoop, that came out pretty fast. And some ketchup. Stir this together. See, that made quite a bit. For those that want Russian dressing on their collard green Rueben, it'll be here. So that's been 40 minutes. And they cook down pretty well, and they still have a little bite. You don't want them to be mushy. Well, last but not least, I'm going to add just about 1.5 tablespoons, maybe 2 packs of butter. And you probably say, what? Trust me. And if you don't put it in. It gives it this flavor that I can't even describe. You just have to taste it. When I make chicken and greens, I add margarine. Never got any complaints. Everybody loves it. Chicken and greens. They want me to cook a lot, however, it's a lot more work, so I don't do it that often. I'm going to cover this back up. I'm going to turn it down, let it cook some more while I start to build this sandwich. Here in this pan, I'm going to spray a non-stick spray. And here I have some sauerkraut. This hot. I need for it to be really hot. like to toast it up just a little bit. A little bit more for me. That should do it. Take this off and set it aside. I'm using marble rye because that's what I have. You can use just plain old rye or whatever kind you like if you decide to make it. I'm going to add some crock. Let's use some crock, y'all. Trying to see if it fits. Turn that up and let that toast. I'm going to put some on both sides. Makes it a little bit stronger when it's toasted. Flip that over. I'm going to add some provolone on top of this one. Okay. Oops. Nice and toasted. Oh yeah, they're ready now. Just gonna pick some up so they can drain. We don't want our bread to get too soggy. Mm-hmm. A little more. And add some more provolone. Add your sauerkraut. Ooh, that's hot. Just pile it on there. Take some Russian dressing. Mm-hmm. Take a bite. Mm. Mm. That's good. And it tastes meaty. You don't have any meat in there whatsoever. Sorry. And it tastes meaty. It's really delicious. You can try with any kind of cheese you like. Season the greens the way you like the greens. And just try it on some wheat bread. I think you'll like it, and you won't miss the meat. Please believe me. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. Till next time, stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And make you a collard green Rueben sandwich. You'll be glad you did. Hey, I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Until next time, later. I'm gonna bite this sandwich again. That's good.